And while local health departments are waiting for that guidance, they are still applauding this move as a step in the right direction. News 8's Ruben Juarez spoke with them tonight. And Ruben, what are they saying?
Hey, Brian, the big thing they want people to know is that the mask mandate is still in effect in the state of Michigan. So if you're out in public, you still have to wear a mask. And while local health officials await possible changes, they ask everyone to use caution when out in public. It's an announcement health officials have been anxiously waiting for.
We're certainly very encouraged by this recommendation from the CDC that fully vaccinated people can now go into public places, even indoor places, without wearing a mask.
However, the optimism is cautious. The CDC only provides recommendations.
Now, Michigan and the county health departments and hospitals and businesses, everyone can take this guidance and say, okay, this is where the CDC wants us to go. And if we think it's safe to do this, we can do it. But nobody has to follow these guidelines if they don't want to.
The new recommendation gives people the green light to take the mask off indoors in public places.
That's a risk that they took, because there are some indoor environments that don't have very good ventilation, and I would still not feel safe. Even as an immunized person, I would not feel safe in some of those environments.
People we chatted with tonight in downtown Grand Rapids also cautiously optimistic about the announcement.
I think it's a step forward to getting back to normal. I think for the time being, I'll probably still wear mine even though I'm fully vaccinated, just because there are so many people that aren't. I just think that's a respectful thing.
Officials hope today's announcement will encourage unvaccinated people to get their shots.
Every person that gets vaccinated from here on out is one big step closer to reaching those milestones. So we encourage those unvaccinated people, please do that. And for the vaccinated people, thank you.
I'm very tired of it. I have asthma, COPD, and this makes it extra hard to breathe too, It'll be good to not have to.
Dr. Adam London of the Kent County Health Department says 50% of eligible people in Kent County have been fully vaccinated. Both doctors expect leaders from the state health department to make an announcement regarding the CDC's recommendation sometime soon. Reporting live in Grand Rapids, Ruben Juarez, News 8.